TikTok Facebook login problem. So first of all, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. To check, you can open Play Store or App Store, tap search icon in the search bar and type in TikTok. If there is updates, tap update button and update it to the latest version. If you see open button, that means your app is up to date. The second step is simply you need to clear the app cache and data. For that, long press on TikTok, select eye icon. Now tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. If you remember your login info, select clear data and select data or delete. After that, you need to simply check the app permissions. Go back to the app info page, choose the app permissions, and now you need to enable all the required options under allowed. So you can easily tap on particular permission and choose allow like this. And once you have done that, you need to try logging in with Facebook. If that doesn't work, you need to simply sync the correct Facebook account. If logging in via Facebook, ensure you are using the correct account. Switching accounts can cause login issues. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.